Hello class 12th. I am here today with a topic of the writing section, and the topic is poster writing. We had done this topic in class 11th also. Let's again discuss this topic, then you will be doing your homework. Poster writing, right? What is a poster at the beginning? A poster is a very useful means of making an announcement or appeal, issuing a notice, advertising a product, or bringing about awareness on any issue of public interest. A poster should be visually attractive and readable from a distance. They are extensively used by NGOs, political parties, government departments, etc. We had discussed in class 11th that advertisement is of two kinds. One is classified advertisement and the other is display advertisements. And display advertisements are called poster writing. Okay? And means it is also an advertisement. So here it is written that poster is a very useful means. It's a way of making an announcement or some appeal or to issue some notice or advertising a product or bringing about awareness or aware the people, as you know these days are about the spread of coronavirus. So there is need of making people aware. So there may be a poster on it about awareness on any issue of public interest. So this is a poster, and a poster should be visually attractive. It should be attractive when it is seen by anyone, and it should be readable as well from a distance. They are extensively used by political parties, government, NGOs and departments. Now, what is the purpose of a poster? The purpose of designing a poster is either to create social awareness about issues related to current problems and needs, or to advertise, or even to extend public invitations and display notices. So this is the purpose of the poster, that it is designed to create some social awareness, or it is also used to aware the people about the current problems or the needs of the times, as well as it is designed to advertise or even to extend public invitations and display notices. Drafting posters. Posters should be colorful. When we are drafting a poster, it should be colorful, it should be attractive, and tempting means attractive. They must be drafted carefully to attract the attention of readers. Okay? They should be drafted in such a way that the reader gets attracted towards them, excite their imagination, and it should also attract the attention as well as imagination of the reader and should influence his or her mind. Posters are read from a distance. They can be read from a distance. Do not give many details in a poster. Highlight only important issues or issues. Whatever is important and relevant should be highlighted, and irrelevant details should not be given. They should be avoided. Main features of a poster. So here are the features. Layout. Layout should be visually attractive. It should be eye-catching. Title should be suggestive or catchy. You may make use of slogans, jingle or short verses. Okay, two-liners actually. Sketch or simple drawings. Letters of different size and shape can be used. Proportionate spacing is required in the layout while designing a poster. So this is the part of layout. These things will carry you mark separately. So they have been discussed here. You might be understanding the difference between classified and posters. Classified advertisement, they do not take different kinds of slogans and short verses and drawings. They don't have drawings, and different size letters are not used and shapes are not used there. Okay, this is the poster. Here these things can be done. Second is about the content. Content would carry 2 marks because poster is of 4 marks, same as notice writing. So 2 marks are given to content. The theme or subject of the poster, description or details associated with the theme, essential details like time, date, venue for an event are to be mentioned. Name of issuing authority, organization, etc. is to be mentioned. And often students commit mistake. They do not mention the issuing authority or the organization. It is the part of question layout, and it carries 1 mark. Then expression carries 1 mark. Okay, expression carries 1 mark. And what should be there in the expression? Phrases. You may make use of phrases, slogans, persuasive language that could convince people. Creativity in terms of content and design. Okay, you should be creative in the content, and how you are designing the poster, you should be creative in that. Overall organization and sequencing of the matter, how you sequence, how you organize the matter, that would really matter, and it would carry you marks. Observe word limit. Be careful about the word limit. Word limit is only 50 words, and it is also mentioned in the question itself. So you have not to exceed the asked word limit. Format of poster writing. So here is the format. Issuing authority. You can see in the beginning it is written. You can mention issuing authority at the top, or you may mention it at the end along with the contact, but it is compulsory. You have to necessarily mention that who is the person issuing that poster. Okay, so what is to be done in issuing authority? Here you have to write the name of the organizing body of the particular event. It may be some institution, some department, some organization, some club, okay, or society. But you have to mention the name of issuing authority. Then the title. Title, make a catchy title which is basically the gist of your announcement or issue. Okay, the title should be the gist, means that should summarize the whole matter in a few words in the form of title. Then sketch. After the title, you have to draw a picture depicting your issue. For instance, 4 ways to save water. So it depends upon the question. A picture may be drawn or it may not be drawn, but your content should be sufficient and it should convince the examiner that it is all complete. Then it would work. Then date, time and venue are needed to be mentioned. How? Here you have to mention the date and time of the event which has to take place. When when it is going to take place, you have to mention time, date, and where it will take place. You have to mention it, and do not forget to mention the venue of event. Then contact information. It is equally important. I had told you this is an important part of your poster. Remember to add the details of the concerned authorities, as the people reading the poster must have contact numbers of the event coordinator in case any query arises on the day of event. The person may call the coordinators. That is why contact details information is must to be given. Now about the format of a poster. Here is the format. It is to be kept into a box, same as the notice. You can see at the top name of the issuing authority. Or I had told you that the name of the issuing authority may also be mentioned at the end with contact information. Then the tagline, okay. Then the title, name of the event, title or name of the event. It may be some exhibition, it may be some workshop, etc. Then special attractions, whatever. If you want to insert some picture, you may draw it. Okay. or some phrases or some two-liners, etc. Jingles, illustrations may be given with a caption. Then when means date and time is to be mentioned, and where, that is the venue. Then entry fees if any, and other relevant information. And then at last it would be the contact information. So this would be the format of a poster. While preparing a poster, you have to follow the same format. Okay. So here are some do's and don'ts of poster making. While making a poster, be careful and be careful about these do's and don'ts. Okay. Do's: keep the word limit within the prescribed word limit only. Never exceed asked word limit. Word limit is 50. You have not to exceed that. Second, the poster should be in a box. It should be kept in a box. Then make the content inside the poster to the point and crisp. It should be to the point. No irrelevant details should be given. It should be to the point and crisp. Make sure your answer to a poster must fit in one page only. Is it clear to all? It should not go to the next page. It should be written within it should fit in one page only. It should not be continued to the next page. Also, bold or underline the important information inside the poster. So these were the do's and don'ts. What are the don'ts? Here are the don'ts. Your poster must not exceed the word limit of 50 words. Okay. Do not use complex language which is not understood by the examiner. There is no need to write such a complex language. Do not use the short form of words. Short form of words is not allowed here, as you are allowed to write only in phrases in classified advertisement and not to make use of complete sentences. So this is one among the don'ts, that you have not to use the short form of the words. Complete words are to be written. Short form of the words are written only in the note making. Make sure your poster is in the proper structure or format. Follow the proper structure while designing the format. In the examination, you have to follow a proper format as suggested by CBSE. Here is the marking scheme as per CBSE guidelines. The breakup of 4 marks for poster writing. Format would carry 1 mark, and what is included in format? It is the title as well as the name of the issuing authority. As I had told you, name of the issuing authority is most of the times missed by students. They don't mention it, so it is necessary to mention issuing authority along with the title, and it would carry you 1 mark. Then the content would carry 2 marks. Then expression and creativity, it involves grammatical accuracy and spellings. If you will be committing grammatical inaccuracies as well as spelling mistakes, then the marks will be deducted. So expression and creativity carries 1 mark. So in this way, total 4 marks. 4 marks have been bifurcated in this way for poster. So now let's design a poster. Here is the example. Design a poster in not more than 50 words about the need for regular exercise. So you can see here, issuing authority has been mentioned at the end. Okay, at the end it is given, and it is something related to the awareness. It is not about some program, so contact information also has not been mentioned here. So begin, let's begin. Okay, it is a tagline, title in the beginning. Take regular exercise. Take regular exercise, you can see it is written in capital letters. Then these are the captions given. become active, get fit for life, enjoy mental alertness. Remember, this is the tagline: a healthy body shelters a healthy mind. Then exercising can be fun, choose anyone. Swimming, you may go for jogging, aerobics, dancing, working out at the gym, and then some information inside the circles. Run and have fun, live longer, sport a healthy heart, give your heart a healthy resort, and then issued by Sports Authority of India. So this was an example of the poster writing. I would like to make it clear here that as in classified advertisement you are allowed to write only in phrases. Here you may make use of phrases. Here too you have not to write complete sentences, okay? But be very much careful about the sentences like a healthy body shelters a healthy mind. Your grammatical accuracy should be there, okay? It's a complete sentence, right? So be careful. And now note down the homework. Here are 5 posters for you to be prepared. As per the CBSE guidelines, certain topics you will find there in the paper this time on the contemporary issues, means the recent issues and the latest issue at this time is the pandemic coronavirus, okay? So the first question is: design a poster not by more than 50 words on the safety measures against the spread of coronavirus in your surrounding areas. Okay, you may mention yourself, issuing authority, as the artistic club of your school. Okay, you may name an imaginary name of some school and it would be art club. Then second question is: design a poster not more than 50 words on the awareness campaign and deadly consequences of pandemic coronavirus. Okay, so here again you may write some imaginary issuing authority. Okay, third is: you are Simar Samriti of Lotus International School, Jodhpur. Your school is organizing a workshop on prevention of drug abuse in the coming week. Prepare a poster with complete information for the students of classes 10th to 12th. Next question is: design a poster to launch tree plantation campaign in the area surrounding your school. Trees live for us, let us protect our friends. And the fifth question is: design a poster for promoting cleanliness in the surroundings of your colony. So this is the homework for you. You have to do it and submit the homework to me well in time, within 2 days. Okay, within 2 days you have to complete it. 5 posters in the homework and 1 as we had discussed while in the class together. Okay, so thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy and stay indoors. It was your teacher. If you find any problem, you may make a call to me and keep doing your work. It was the teacher Narendra Kumar, Visit English, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Naleti. Have a good day. Bye bye.